my guy say no book this game. When I tell her no book, I know why I tell her no book this game. How on earth say Man City go come win Chelsea? You know fi happen. Now which one be draw? Man City and Manchester.
For what?
Hey, you get luck. So I no hold gun. If I hold gun plus what dey inside me now, I for use your brain now plaster this wall. No say I be security man. No dey touch me anyhow.
See this one. You will stand here. Now you won't carry God, I go won't carry you. Mama, they call you.
No, come look down on me. Oga here, Oga, go ask Oga. Oga, they call me Overcome, come carry God and say no. I get martial art. You know what I mean? Hey, if I do like this, I go come out to a test and give you a job. You know, Butili, you know Jackson. They are my friends. By the way, which one they call me? You saw who they call me? Who?
When you reach there, you go no.
They get Mama 2 now. Now Mama 1 and Mama 2 they call me. You know, see small question why I ask you here. Instead of you to mellow down, answer am like say a woman where they train from village. We get home training. Come the verse. I don't like this game at all. I don't like this game. Oh, now I go come. I dey put on my wear my shirt. Go.
Allow them deceive you. There is original and there is fake.
Okay.
So take this money.
Okay. So how many I go buy?
Buy only one original one. 1,000 is for one.
Okay.
Not allow them cheat you.
Okay, the original.
Yes,
original. Pharmacy.
Yes, go fast.
I'll go there buy. Whichever I don't buy fake.
Original one.
Oh, what?
Okay. Ma, say make I go buy something for HDA pharmacy.
Have you washed my son, your boss's cars? And you want to go on an errand?
No, you never.
Since you put it and go and wash off the cars.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh, he said I go.
Come on. Do you remember the shop I told you?
No, now HDA.
Be going straight.
Oh, what?
Come on, run.
Run! Oh, what? You need to watch the cars.
You need to run.
I can't run.
Oh, what?
Oh, my God. I don't know.
Oh, what? Okay, Queen.
Go back there. Be going. Go hot
If you cross this place, I'm telling you. Okay, if I was a witch. If I was be making it.
Oh, I don't want to lose it because of my daughter. I am being stable. I don't want to lose it.
All I have to do is store the juani. Hey! Get stored,
What is it, eh? What is it? Do you people want me to go mad in my own house?
You can't go mad, my son. God will not allow you to go mad. Talk to your mother. She's the one that doesn't want peace in this house.
Peace. 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 Faggy. We don't see your leg and peace. Let me warn you. There is only one woman in this house. This house requires just one woman. And that woman, only enough, it's me. Do you understand me? Pack your things and return to your husband's house.
This is my daughter's house. Take us to rule on Dikeh. Take your son, she will your husband. Okay, you have more. Your son is your husband.
Enough. Why are adults behaving like children? Why? You know what is going to happen? In this house, henceforth, no one should talk to each other.
Better.
Make your own meals and she will make her own meals. For peace to reign.
Thank you, my son. This you say is perfect. Just tell your mother. Make her understand what you just said.
Mama, did I make myself clear?
I heard what you said, my son. I mean, as the mother, I am in charge. I look up, I'll stay on my home. I'll look up my store. My son's.
I just said, make your own meals mind your business and she will mind her business.
Emmy boy, what are you saying?
Mind your business. I'm not joking though.
Emmy, mind how you talk to your mother. You know me, when I get angry with you, Emmy boy, I use my left. Mind how you talk to your mother.
Make your own meals and she will make her own meals. Mind your business. I don't want this scuffle.
That's what I said. Is your mother?
Can't I rest?
Simple.
It's Iboli, but all she knows how to say is simple, simple, simple.
Let us come together, mama, na mama, because mama, we fight, we just felt and realized together we belong our enemies.
Kelela, the money. Where's the money?
Mama, I brought baby for you.
Oh,
I want to rest. Please help me carry it.
Allah. Oh, it was a dream.
Mama,
I
brought Junior for you. Please help me carry him for tonight.
Nigga, what about your mother?
Didn't you come for Mugo again?
Where's your mother? I'm sure she slept in this house.
Junior wants to spend the night with you. Please help me.
Junior has not started talking. Please. Please help me to sleep. Mama was Junior the money in there.
Mama, now I'm becoming. I'm not Maka Kudoto.
Juliet, I can see that you're an enemy of good sleep and good dream. Look, take this baby to your mother. Let her look after the baby. I need to continue with this dream. I was counting money. As you're going, every turn of the night, I forgot to do that when I
She wants to sleep. She came in here for the omugo and you want her to sleep.
Please now, go to Junior a little. Let me rest because I'm very tired. Let me grab a little sleep.
Mama, Kuru Junior. Your mother-in-law have been fighting to have Junior for the omugo. This is omugo. That could near Kolekota Kenya. This is omugo we came for. Let me sleep.
Mama. Mama. Mama, are you not my mother again? Are you not here to help me? Is this what you are saying to me?
Okay. Guru Junior, go and give to your mother-in-law. At least, let her take care of Junior this night. I've been the one carrying Junior all this while. At least let her handle Junior this night. Come here, Nora. You want your mother to die? Can you get Nora? For work, I'm gonna catch you for
Mama. Mama.
Nora. Come show you.
Where were you?
Baby, my mothers have refused to carry me. They keep turning me up and down to the other. I'm tired.
It's alright, just let me carry you so you can catch some sleep.
Oh, thank you, baby.
So,
I just need to sleep for 45 minutes. I'll get back to you, okay?
okay.
Please, do you mind taking me to the sitting room so he doesn't wake me up, okay?
Alright. So,
Thank you.
okay, little man. It's just you and I, okay? So let's see if we can catch some sleep. Sorry.
Okay, good morning, sir. Why no? I did. Okay, no beside they stop you, but it gets something where they bother me. But I don't know how to present that to me. So this morning I said, man, stop. Know if I feel try explain that to you, sir. I know. I want to know if you can just borrow me small money from my money. My papa for village. That man don't really try for me. So as I did now, even my spirit self, they tell me, say, if I no give her this money now, na bad thing. Na bad thing. Because the man don't try. I say, man, I know if you feel from my money payment, give me small money, let me give the man today. Now my father, now wait now, I say, man, I tell you, now no other thing.
Okay, so you mean you want part of the salary?
Okay, no dear, exactly. Just part. Part.
It's alright, when I get to the office, I will effect that transfer immediately.
My God, God bless you. Don't be with me. I know if you pay you back. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let us come together. Mama, na mama, because mama, we fight, we just felt and realized together we will conquer enemies. Look at
Only plate to give me. It's too light.
What be your problem? Eh?
And they talk maybe the only plate to give. Good, why one meat? No, tell me why one meat? If now madam take his hand won't give me food like this, he go make sure say he double the meat. Because madam knows that me they do the most dangerous work in this compound.
Wow. You know my happiness. My happiness is say you say madam. You see this food? Now Oga Mama give you so chopper.
Oga Mama dish nine put the food for me.
Nah she.
I know one reason say that woman hates me. I know one talk good outside. But you self, you don't tell her how we take the leave for this house.
I tell Oga Mama say now 2 meat we dey give you. She said the thing will make you lazy. Wait till you make her.
Which lazy? Don't tell me that thing. Which kind of lazy?
Not a shout for me.
I see, you don't see or hear say meat. You don't see or hear say meat make person lazy. Don't mean they stay for that gate. Madam don't come back here and not open gate. And the Oga come and not open gate. Which kind of talk with that?
Oh what? You want chop this food or make I carry and go drop?
I know one make you listen and say I reject your food. Because now you cook them. If not be, you say now madam cook them. Oga mama cook them.
You go feel reject food. You way like food. I beg you see food chop.
But then tell her more. But then tell Oga mama. If she continue to put this kind of food, then I'm not gonna make my work dangerous again. Which kind of thing is this? You know I dey wait for this food. You know I wait for this food. water. Help me.
When we fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
Have you seen Mama? I mean my own mother.
No. Have you checked the sitting room?
I'm coming from the sitting room. I even knocked at her door. She didn't answer me. Though I didn't check inside.
I think you should check inside.
Okay. So you are still on this? Because be fast so you can go to the market.
Yes, Auntie.
When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
Mama. So you are here, sir, and I've been shouting your name. You don't want to answer. Mama. Look up, I want to tell you something. Mama. 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 Mama! Mama! What is this now? Abudo! Abudo!
Yes, Auntie.
Please get my phone, get my phone!
Yes, Auntie.
Hurry! Mama! 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 Mama!
I'm still trying to get something straight. I hope you know this is not a joke. Are you trying to say that my mother-in-law is on hard drugs?
No, that's not what I mean. You see, the substance was found in her body. Well, there are many ways that can get into human's body. But you have nothing to be afraid of. It has been flushed out of her system, and I can assure you that she will be fine.
This is unbelievable. But it's okay, since you said she will be fine.
She will.
Alright. Thanks for always coming for my rescue. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. The pleasure is mine. Have a nice day.
Mekos, how are you?
Well, the doctor said everything is under control, that he will, flush the whole thing off our system.
So, how is your mother in the hope she's better?
That's exactly what I'm trying to explain to you. So he said she will be fine.
Okay. You left me at the bar. I was wondering, I didn't even call me, so I decided to come see you.
Yeah, sorry.
So how is she now? Is she inside?
Oh yeah.
Please, let's go.
You know what they call this laughter? Laughter. You see, the Lord is good.
All the time.
The Lord is good.
All the time.
And all the time. Lord is good. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. You see, this God is an awesome God. He has vindicated me. Yes. You see your madam's mother. She smokes. When I say, well, I don't mean small people, I mean big raps. That is why she acts like a mad woman. Even the doctor has confirmed it. Now, what I want to know is, when did this whole thing start?
I have never seen her smoke before.
Even me too. I never see her smoke. Even that woman, she's nice to me.
Oh, shut up. She's nice to you. All fair women are nice to you. Package if I were everyone. Anyway, that is none of my business. You now, you can't see. You have eyes, but you can't see. What I want to let you people know is that from now, I am in charge. Oh yes, I am in charge of this other one. So you all listen to what I say. I'll get back to your treatments. Mba, stay.
My in the morning, we will report to you and also answer you.
It's not my fault. This is my son's house. I should be the child.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo, I'll get it baby tomorrow. Mama, oh yo yo.
Yes, come in.
Mama,
Eh?
I want to speak to you. And I want nothing but the truth. So, Mama, when did you start smoking anymore?
Julie, me, smoke amoro, otu lazy. Anama poala. How? Echiri me ezinne. Ezinne limo Chrissy.
Mama, wait though. Are you trying to say that the doctor is lying or something? Because he said traces of hard drugs was found in your system.
No, how? So, how? Like was here when I could go to us. I don't know.
Honestly, Mama, I really do not know what to believe anymore. Yes. Because this whole thing is pissing me off. The reason I'm asking you this is because I wouldn't want it to repeat again in my husband's house. Because this whole thing is pissing me off. Yes. I'm not happy anymore. Thank God no taco simedebe. Thank God you are okay now. Because I'm a kaliko. Thank God do. Let me go and check on my baby.
Hi. It's obvious. Somebody wants me out from this house. This is my in-laws' house. I am not going anywhere. I am here to stay. Omugo Kambia. Yeah, I'm planning.
This is really serious. But do you trust your mother-in-law?
Of course I do. I trust her. I'm still trying to picture, how that substance found its way to her system.
I'm confused as well, these days you cannot vouch for anybody. But I think you need to have a one-on-one conversation with her.
That is for me to ask her.
You guys need to discuss,
Oh my God. I'm not sure I can do that, honestly.
Oh, well, you need to do that. She's like a mother. She's like a mother.
I mean, I don't have the courage to ask her, Mom.
And ask your wife to do that.
Come on. Man.
Okay, you need to know how that got into her system. That's the paramount thing here. Okay? Yeah. We all need to know the enemy within. So, bro.
You're right.
Every day, one story to another. Life is just a joke.
I'm getting tired, but I God will keep giving me the strength.
Oh. Oh, my. This one, you're just standing there moping like a lost rat. I hope everything is okay. Oh, okay. Obviously. Why should I ask? You want to go out there and smoke cannabis, known as Ini Edo. Well, all I want to say is, when you're ready to smoke it, go down the road where your people are so you can smoke together. Let me know. And I'm an adolescent woman with conscience. So please, stay out there and smoke. I don't want you polluting the house because my grandson is in the house. Alright? Oh, by the way, I am going out. Anyway, I have to go out now. Oh. Now, please, take care of the house, take care of me. Alright? Oh no. Mama Neka, you tend to forget a lot. Mama, can you feel why? Now, listen. Because you're filled with so much of evil, I don't think you'll be able to take care of the house. So, I am going to call Akudo, even though she can be stupid. I'll tell her to take care of the house. I'll go and come back soon. Also, koso mami, nyabi koso wende nesi, pe.
I want you to tell me the truth. I have never smoked in my life before. Or for this cigar. Mwa wezin the name of Lord so Christ. Mwa chire chichi no. Yeah. It's one of you how this hard drug got into my system. You better tell me the truth.
Wow. Now when you mention Igbo, I did hear him for the first time. If na lie, I lie. I swear if I reach home, I don't meet my papa alive. Because he's still alive.
Shut up. Okay. You think I'm playing? Okay? Okay. I will call my daughter and personally tell her about this. You know what will happen? She will throw two of you out of this house. She will fling you out to put Namona Nobun. I will shout and call my daughter. Tell me the truth.
Mama Biko, please don't let it happen because
Then start talking. Get go, Biko. Start talking.
Akudo, waiting he go take you. You don't go take anything from your body to tell Mama the truth. Why they waste time? You don't see me for kitchen. I'm there kitchen. Why you don't talk simple truth?
Tell me the truth.
Mama, please. I will talk, Mama.
Then talk.
Ooh, yeah. When we fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah. Together we will conquer enemies. Yeah. Udo kama. Udo kama. Udo kama. Udo kama. Let us come together. 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 Let us come together.
Nelly, come on, nigga, don't you call on apple? They put that away. What were you doing there at that particular time?
Nothing, ma. I only went to check if the sitting room is tidy. Oga always want me to keep the sitting room clean, ma.
Liar! Liar! Even the shape of your mouth shows that you can lie. Eh? You went to check if the sitting room is clean. Makagene. And what about this sitting room? Let me tell you. Let me just warn you. If you utter one word of what you saw, especially to my enemies, that means you two have become an enemy. And I will so deal with you. I will deal with you more than I'll deal with my enemies. No, I will use water to send you home. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop shaking your head like if and when I'm talking to you. Did you just do your mouth like this? Now get out of here. Only the book cancer. They are selling.
Okay, Menona. You mean all this has been happening in this house and nobody bothered to tell me? Okay? Okay. Well, I know that fat woman will not be able to go out to buy whatever it is. Ngwa, who bought it? Who bought the Igbo? You don't want to talk?
Ma, for this side now, we talk. I won't confess. I won't confess.
Hey! Oh, so it is you. Hey! Oh, it is you. So you stay. I'm going to come.
I beg, not tell Oga, not tell Oga because.
So it is you polluting this whole compound. What is it you're smoking? You're smoking Igbo.
Ma, I'm not going to take a again. I'm not going to ever take a.
You have been taking this thing since. This thing you can never stop. You will continue to take it. Eh?
But the truth, let me confess a little. You know, say, what I'm going, I know the lie, ma. I dey take them, but not that kind long. I don't just dey take and they cool my body, especially for night. You know, say, my job is dangerous.
Your job is dangerous. Is this night?
No, ma, I dey prepare for night.
You're preparing for night?
Go take me for like some hours before night will come.
If record, you know what? You're lucky today is your Christmas. I will let you go. But if I catch you next time, you will not like what I'll do to you.
Mama, I take
I said give it to me!
Well, if you collect the evidence, let me say if you tell Oga.
Now get back to your duty post. Go back! You don't know your duty post again. Come on, get what's wrong? I'm on one. I gotta be winning essay. I will keep this as evidence. Are you not wrong?
Ugo were kesipe ya ewela nkupaya eme were ugo were kesipe ya ewela sigi nkupaya ebe were ugo were kesipe ya ewela sigi nkupaya ebe were ugo were kesipe ya ewela
Sit down. Nolani. I'm a good person. I'm a amazing woman. Eh? Or Chinese gone as? Hey, so how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Okay, I'm fine.
I see that. Hey, you know that thing you were smoking the other day? Is that what you call it? That's why I call it Anwulima. But Anwulike is still good. It depends on how you react to it. I would like you to buy some for me.
Ma?
Some people tell me, you know?
I buy for you.
Yes. Original.
Ma, I know they take that thing again.
I know. I just want you to buy it for... I want to use it for something. Can you get me original?
Of course. Now my area. Now the thing, now my... I sabi the business very well.
I trust you.
He did too. Original and the other one.
I want the original. You know, I can still give you some from it. You won't mind that. I know.
Even those are not the thing.
I know. Just keep it by the side. You know, see, this is your music box. Which language?
No, they speak China. If I offer on them, the thing go speak China. And now I off it. My honor now go here. That you go. Machine go.
蓝牙音乐播放系统已开启，蓝牙状态。
蓝牙状态。Machine go lo. That's the language.
Very nice. Hey, dark people are original. They are good people.
蓝牙配对成功。
Is it the speak?
They agree with what I talk, eh? Not be only fair people you go to help.
That's so
fair people na make up.
You are nice too. I see them. I don't see and say you are nice.
Okay. Let me go.
Okay, ma.
I will get you something to eat.
I know they play with food. You see food there? Me and food there like this.
I know.
I know they joke with them.
I know. So, which soup would you like?
I go like a wushi with dry fish.
Dry fish.
Azobo.
Azobo. I will put some chicken.
I know I go that side.
No, me, I want you to go there.
Okay,
so that you won't be Dikeh. Eh?
Okay.
Oh,
thank you.
God. Enjoy yourself. When you do China, China.
Oh. They take this thing. So what they take this on?
So I have been living with enemies in this house. I don't have any fight with both of you. You can go.
Ma?
I say you can go.
Thank you.
I'll come back. I'll get back to you. I'll come back to you. Go for now.
Mama, Rico, let Madam know here. Because
I promise I'll say you're not going to tell anybody.
Are you saying something there?
Sorry.
Ojuko. So it's you. You have rolled out the war drum. Get ready to dance.
how are you? I'm fine. You're looking so beautiful. You don't even look like someone who just delivered the baby. I know, right? Ah, congratulations. Thank you. How are you? Oh, before we go inside, so you see the baby, give me wait. I am not here yet to see the baby. I have come here. Wow. Someone dead drugged my mother. This house will not contain the both of us. Sister, please calm down. Just allow this to carry on. Look back, Kwano. Don't tell me that. Where is that mother-in-law of yours? She has a lot of explaining to do.
down. I will explain everything.
No. I mean, who does that? Where is it done? Where?
Come and sit down first. Now you're just coming.
Look, Judy. I'm not here. I'm not here for this.
I will explain things to you because sit down.
That is it, oh my daughter. That is how we be living in this house. There is nothing I do that is right in her eyes.
And then she went as far as putting Igbo in your food? She's lucky she's not around right now. I would have torn her to shreds.
Ada, calm down. I don't want to mad Pico. Oh, just allow me to finish all I came to do in this house and go back to my husband's house intact.
Mama, say whatever you like, but I will still take revenge on her. How can she do that?
Yeah, Ada, why you? Dikeh, you're in there. You're sweating, no? How is your husband?
He's fine.
Are you hearing from him at all? When is he even coming back from Abu Dhabi?
Very soon, ma. He asks of you all the time.
Hey! Go. He should try and come back so that you give me babies. Look at your tummy. Look at that forget. Some milk, only water everywhere. Let him come back so you drink your husband's water. Mora mama. Oh? Dikeh, smile for me now, eh? Oh, you're in there? Dikeh, it's okay. It's okay.
Do you want me to fall and hurt myself? You fall and hurt yourself. If you fall, will you even be able to know what happened to you? In short, my prayer is that you fall here and scatter out your teeth all over the place. Don't think I'm afraid of you. I am only respecting you, Mama. But throughout my stay in this house, better mind your boundaries. Else, hey! Oh, you think you can come to my son's house and threaten me? You see, you and those are gang-ups. Your mother and your sister. You people cannot do anything to me. If I am like a tree that makes up a forest, in case you don't know. When that time reaches, you will not even fill up an Okada. You left your husband's house, poor man, to come here and enjoy big manism. Instead of you to stay in your husband's house and give him children. Stop it! In Olemba, looking for Mama, take your time, oh. I'm only respecting you. Take your time. Please don't respect me. Respect yourself. Juliet can be single. I respect. I'm warfare. I'm also a baby. Let something happen to my child, my grandson. You will see what I'll do to you. Juliet, come over here for your neighbor. Not possible. Not in my son's house. Nonsense. If rock or Onya rapule aguna na die bia ba ni big man. Can you feel like I need to fem tia bi your work e ko enwureba anu ofia.
Please, I beg you in the name of God. For my husband's sake, for the sake of my child, do not get into any physical with my mother-in-law because I beg you. Then you better warn her.
Want her to stay downwind, else I will show her my style. You know me, you know.
Listen, before you came, we've been managing her. I just want you to cooperate because, very soon she will leave. Let's manage her together. I beg you. Don't tell me that. I am not one of you. What? I also have my own mother-in-law. What is even wrong with her? A woman as old as she is should be putting her house in order, not scattering it.
Mama na mama bikonuwa udo kama mama udo kama yeah
It's a good thing that girl has gone. And I would have poured hot water on her.
Mama, sorry.
Sorry. Huh? You seem to be a nice girl. Well, aside my son, of course. It looks like that girl was sent. A tiger sent to my own home to destroy me. Can you imagine?
Mama, sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. Why are you sorrying me? Oh, I say sorry. Did I lose somebody? Say sorry now.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
There's only one thing I can think of that will make me feel better now.
Mama, what is it?
You know that juice in the fridge? Which one? I mean that one that's the shape is like this. Go and get it for me. Okay. Wait. I think I've changed my mind. You know the bottle of wine my son brought in yesterday? The big fat one? Yes. Bring it. And that's your comment. Bring a glass. And for your information, you must drink from that glass before I take anything. Because even though I say you're good, I do not trust you. I can't get it. Yes, ma'am. I was just beating her. I didn't want it to seem like an old man was beating up a young girl. So I fell for her.
Oh my goodness. This is really serious.
Get serious, my brother. To be honest, I'm tired of all these fights. Every day scuffle. I'm becoming fed up of that. My house has been turned to a battleground. And I'm the one wearing the big shoes. I'm the one passing through the pains.
Okay, what about your sister-in-law? Is she still around? Huh?
She has gone back to her husband's house. But I'm still faced with my mother-in-law and my mother trying to kill themselves.
Okay, why not try and settle this amicably? I'll advise you to just take them to a park, you understand, and then wish them well, let them go.
I wish I can do that, but hell no. They don't want to leave. They kept on saying that they came here for the Omogo, so they can't possibly go now till they are done with the Omogo. It's not possible. It's just eating me up on the daily. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. Everyday scuffle. What baffles me is these two used to be friends. When I mean friends, like close friends, boon companion at their youthful age. I can't really picture what has caused this rift between them. I've asked, no one seems to give me a good answer.
It's really bad. Well, I pray that God gives you the wisdom and understanding to, take care of your home, because it's really sad, man.
Yeah, it's more than sad, not just sad, it's crazy. I wish you see what's going on in my family. In my house is crazy. Anyway, enough of me, man. Enough of me and my family. Let's talk about you.
About me?
When are you walking down the aisle?
I am not ready for that, bro. I am not ready to step into your big shoes. Please, bachelor is the best for now. I'm telling you.
Is that what you think? That's why I know you keep deceiving yourself. I think I need to get married. Seriously.
Married? It's not the one you're complaining to me now.
And hold it right there. Did you ever? Oh, all this melanini one bitinazo. You think I don't know what you're up to? Pretending to be what you're not. Achopotago, so no way. And ask me. You think I will be forced
of my son's house? Or not possible? Now listen, I am here to stay because this is where I rightfully belong. Akudo! No, I'm not here. Will you carry this bag in? Get it in Akuja. See, let me tell all of you here. I am back. I am back to stay. No leave, no transfer. No, your real mama, your real grandmama is back. That is raro. You've lost so much weight. Just this couple of days that I've been out. But don't worry. I'll take care of you. You're sleeping. I know the sleep is uncomfortable, but I'm leaving. Oh, I am talking. I'm talking to you and you're pressing your phone.